Welcome back to the Mendez Paradise. Today we're going to be making the classic Puerto Rican dish, Arroz Con Gandules with the rice cooker. These are the items you'll be needing: a bag of rice, measuring cup, olive oil, olives, Recaito, Sofrito, tomato sauce, red peppers, and of course the gandules. Ham flavored seasoning from Goya, Sazon Tropical from Badia. Now you can start cleaning the rice. It's always a great idea to have some dirty dishes in the sink to really catch some of that water. You're going to turn on the rice cooker. About a tablespoon of olive oil. 3 tablespoons of sofrito. 1 envelope of Sazon Tropical. 1 envelope of ham seasoning. A tablespoon of minced garlic. A tablespoon and a half for olives. A teaspoon of Recaito. A tablespoon of tomato sauce. Now we can dump a whole can of gandules.
All these Goya ingredients that we put inside the pot already have sodium of their own. So you would like not to add any salt, additional salt till later, according to your own taste.
Now you can add a full cup of rice. Now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of water. And once we mix it up, we're good to go.
I'll leave it like that. After opening it a second time, we retouched it. We add a little bit more water, and this is the result. Full to the rim, arroz con gandules. You turn it, and it's fully cooked. It's a lot. It feeds a whole family in the little rice cooker. Look at all that amount of rice that came out of that rice cooker. And when you get tired and you come home, just remold the rice and add chicken, fish, anything else, any sides you want. You have a meal every day for a few days. On a Sunday,
or if you have a son who can't really cook for himself, these delicious meals, you pack a little to-go Tupperware and you have food to give him for the week.
Finalize it at the end when you're serving it to people with a little bit of peppers.
Red pepper.
Traditional arroz con gandules. Simple and easy, so you can do it for your family. Smells good.
The traditional.
Smell it, man. You don't like peppers. You're Puerto Rican. You better like peppers.
Well, I don't like pepper because it's not my favorite. It's spicy.
Hey! Yo, man.
Yo, this rice is absolutely awesome. Come on down. In fact, do your own rice and leave me alone. How about that?
Hello, everybody. Okay, ready? Okay, now I'm gonna put the sofrito as the main ingredients. Oh, this is the burgers. What the f? We don't have no sofrito burgers.
Guys, if you don't know, Puerto Ricans like to take your Goya Tupperwares of what you might have, maybe sofrito and butter, and you open it and look, you actually have a burger in there.
Okay.
Say, we're gonna, we put it in, we gotta wait till it stops.
No.
Wait till it stops, and then we're gonna...
No!
We gotta check it and then
You
turn
think
it
your
around.
turn, right?
Okay,
Wait.
go ahead. Pero tú sabes lo que tú haces. You let it cook and then you're gonna stop it later.
Oh my God.
Check it. Okay, go ahead.
And then that's going to be the exciting part.
Say, trust me.
Trust me.
One more time.
Trust me.
One more time.
Trust me.